So, today we're gonna go ahead and pull a bunch of extra stuff out of the back of the cell, like little things like this, these guys, seatbelt buckles, rear seat belts. If you follow me on Instagram, I made a post the other day. There was a car that I saw recently that was built, and their idea was weight savings with gram theory, and it was like, you know, save any little bits of weight you can here and there, so that way, you know, you have a bigger overall savings. So I think I might try to apply a little bit of that to this, probably not to the extreme that they did with, you know, shaving washers down to be just as thin as possible, but my target weight for the car is 2,300 pounds. That'll make it about 2,400 pounds, 2,420 with me in it. So I'm trying to stay under 2,500 pounds, but I've got to add some weight to it, so other weight needs to be deleted, so we're going to get to a little bit of that today. We're going to go ahead and start by removing these guys. Just rear seat belt buckles. They're a 14 millimeter. So I'm just going to go this way. I'm going to set y'all down. And there's that out. I'll go ahead and do this other side here real quick. Next will be these rear seatbelt buckle, or rear seatbelt latch front mounts. And that'll run up here through this plastic. So I can use both hands. And you can come in here and just undo these bolts, or you can be foolish like me and try to get that one out so you can just take the seat belt out. You can just take the whole bracket out. Why not? That's way easier. Once you have those bolts out, there's a little hanger right here that all of it hangs on, and you've got a rear seat belt. I'm just going to repeat the process on the other side, and then we'll weigh each setup and see how much weight we've saved. Scale. Set to pounds and ounces. One rear seat. I do believe it's balanced on there. Yep. You can see 10 pounds, 0.5 ounces. We got 2 of those. And I need to bench weighs here. Get that balanced on there. Let's see. 7 pounds, 5.5 ounces. So I would say that's a pretty decent weight savings just in the rear seats alone. That's a little over 27 pounds, 27.5 pounds. I'd say that's it's pretty reasonable. We'll go ahead and take the scale down there and weigh a couple more things because it's hot up here. I just didn't want to have to haul the seats downstairs. 3 pounds, 1.5 ounces for one whole side seatbelt assembly. For the rear. So that's about 6 pounds weight savings. Bumps us up to a little over 30 pounds saved between the rear seats and the rear seat belts, which isn't bad. It's not bad at all. I don't know what the 3-point rear strut brace and the front strut tower bar weigh. I will have to weigh them later on after I take them back out again at some point. Just gonna go ahead and get right to it here. Just using some generic soapy water. And after a short few minutes, we've scrubbed out the bottom of this here. Just kind of cleaned up any dirt that was hiding around anywhere. Made it look nice. Nicer anyway. We may make a project of removing the Dynamat from the floor here, the sound deadening, whatever you want to call it. I hear it's a real pain in the arse, but we'll see. And did a little math, tallied up some final numbers on my phone here. 3 pounds 1.5 ounces for each rear seatbelt assembly, 10 pounds a half ounce for each rear seat back, 7 pounds 5.5 ounces for that rear seat bench, for a total of 33 pounds 9.5 ounces shaved off the car. This isn't necessarily new information out there. If you go out onto New Celica, and I believe Celica Hobby, they both have, you know, weight reduction threads in them that talk about, you know, some of the weights of these things. So the information's certainly out there. I just figured it'd be nice to have it in video format so everyone could kind of see what these things were actually weighing as you pull them right out of a car. So we will go ahead and try to keep weighing items as we take them off and add things to the car, and we will keep a rolling weight chart. I will kind of start compiling that better on my computer here when I get done out here in the garage. So on this week's call out list of epic Celica channels to check out and builds to follow, we have our old boy, the Most Ariel. He's also on Instagram at the Most Ariel. The Most _ Ariel. I apologize. Excellent channel. Tons of great content. Make sure you check him out. Like, subscribe. And our second channel this time is going to be Connor Nation. He is working on a supercharged Celica build with a Greddy supercharger. It's most excellent. He's got a fair number of, he's got a few videos up too, but he is it's getting there. He's building great content. So make sure you check these guys out, and I encourage other channels to help spread the love, share the word among all of their subscribers as well. We can help build the community quicker and faster that way. In my travels at various Fred Meyers, various stores, I pick up some Hot Wheels here and there. I've got a couple Skylines, a 180SX, a couple of Volkswagens, an SP2, and a Mark II Golf, a Lancer Evo, Integra GSR. I've got a black CRX, a red CRX, Honda City Turbo, this neat little GoPro camera car thing. Gonna get a Hero Session to put on it. We'll see if we can't do something neat with it. 96 Porsche Carrera, a couple of Mustangs, and then I have over here some that I've managed to get duplicates of. The 2018 Honda Civic Type R, another Civic Type R, a Mazda RX-7, and another Acura Integra GSR. So, at 50 subscribers, I'm going to do a little giveaway of my duplicate cars here. So if you're interested in winning one of the two Civic Type Rs, the Acura Integra GSR, or the Mazda RX-7, all you've got to do is comment on this video, and I will select random winners with a randomizer. I'll put everyone's screen name in there, and then I will announce the winner once we hit 50 subscribers. I will announce the winner. It's only 15 subscribers away, so share the video, and hopefully we can get some more people into the Celica world.